In the course of nation building and human development, there are times when humble breakthroughs unlock gateways of future. As Pakistan rises to its true potential, our people, our industry and our economy is relying on diverse sources of energy that can propel us through the corridors of success. To become one such engine of growth, a power company rose to excellence. From stone laying in 2007, it was Foundation Power Company Deherki Limited, FPCDL, that achieved full load operation in May 2011. In critical times of need, FPCDL turned this dream into reality, which resulted in supply of 185 megawatts of electricity to the national grid. FPCDL has employed a team of seasoned professionals to carry out day-to-day operations and believes that a comfortable environment and employees' welfare are the keys to success. The plant site is situated some 100 kilometers from the historic city of Sakar, in the heritage province of Sindh. The location is strategically situated between Mirpur Mathello and Abaro. Proximity to the gas field and compliance with environmental guidelines was some of the key considerations during the feasibility stage of this power project. Today, FPCDL stands aloft, running one of the best combined cycle power plants of its kind. The distinction of FPCDL is that it uses low BTU gas to run the first cycle of electricity production through the gas turbine. This gas is procured from one of Pakistan's indigenously operated gas fields. Due to low BTU, this gas could not be used for domestic purposes, but by installing a state-of-the-art gas turbine imported from General Electric, USA, FPCDL made a historic breakthrough by putting to use Pakistan's rich natural resources. The high-pressure steam produced during the first cycle is then used to run the second cycle of electricity generation using another state-of-the-art steam turbine. This one has been imported from Fuji, Japan, with round-the-clock shifts. FPCDL ensures glitch-free production cycles and maintains an uninterrupted electric supply to national grid. To ascertain operational quality standards and an international level of best practices, a South Korean company has been designated to manage operations and maintenance at the plant. This diverse combination of integrating American and Japanese technologies under the expertise of Korean engineers truly makes FPCDL a leading Pakistani multi-international. The resultant advantage of this uniquely blended plant is that it provides electricity for the nation in a cost-efficient way, especially compared to other independent power producers. At the power plant, excellence and finesse can be experienced firsthand in every aspect of performance. The men and machines at this august facility work in synergistic harmony, thanks to the standard operating procedures and protocols that are followed at every step of the production process. Inside the facility, you can observe FPCDL's excellence in every dimension and aspect of work and life. It is where infrastructure sophistication is amplified to optimum efficiency and yet simplified for precision. At the heartland of production technology, where human endeavour for health, safety, security and environment, HSSE, is comparable to any state-of-the-art facility in the world. Our training protocols, operational SOPs and maintenance standards ensure that the bar of excellence keeps charting higher and higher. This is the place where enabling work environment is matched with an equally conducive lifestyle for the residents and visitors. Industrial security requires a holistic approach based on different protection layers. FPCDL is committed 24/7, 365 for maintaining a secure environment of the complex, with modern security equipment for effective surveillance. The plant processes an updated security equipment, whereby activities can be monitored by the management anywhere on the globe. This is FPCDL, a symbol of excellence. Towering tool yet grounded humbly, FPCDL continues to energize Pakistan. In this pursuit of purpose, we also continue to support communities around us. From education to water supply, from training to employment, and from healthcare to humanitarian assistance. We make our people rise with us towards sustainable progress and prosperity. Illuminating more than 1,500 villages, energizing over 70 industrial units, and lighting up more than 250,000 housing units, we remain committed to playing our part in nation building, in step with every Pakistani, in line with national priorities, and in pursuit of perfection. FPCDL is a symbol of excellence.